Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how we can implement the options pattern in the ASP.NET Core applications. So first let's discuss what is the options pattern. Options patterns allows us to get the configurations value from the app settings.json in the different way. Okay, and we will follow the new and modern way to get the values from the app settings. Okay, so such kind of things we will put and we always use the options pattern in the ASP.NET Core applications, and this makes our code cleaner and more readable as well. So let's see how we can do this in this application. So this is the simple application, or here I will create a new section which is email settings like this, or I will put the email server name as the first key, and my server will be smtp.gmail.com, or simply I will choose the port number as a 587 like this. I want to get the values of this section via the options pattern. So let's see how we can implement this thing. Now we have to set up everything in the program.cs in the middleware class as well. So let's see. So first I will choose the builder.services.configure, or I will inject the email settings class as well. Okay, so first let me uh, create this email settings class. So I forward to create this class, a new class as like this, or I will create two properties in this class. So public string like this, and I will assign the empty value here. After this I will create another property which is port, or and make sure that both properties must be readable and writable as well. And simply I will create constant which is the name, and I will assign the name as a email settings like this. Okay, now we have to go the program cs files again, or I will inject this class, or what I will do, I want to target the sections of the app settings. So builder.configuration.get section. Right now I want to uh, target this section like this. In the name field we gave this name. Okay, and this name is similar to the app settings section name like this. So it will target this section, and now I will create an minimal API. So let's see uh, how I will use to get these values uh, in the minimal API. So app.mapget, I will put this API name as a get email configs, or after this I will create the anonymous function. In the anonymous function I will uh, create a new response object like this, or in the response object I will return these values from the email settings. So first I have to inject the IOptions interface, or in the IOptions interface I will use the email settings because I want to bind this class in the interface. and I will name it as a options. And after this, what I will do, I will just use the options.value.server name, or the next response will be port, or options.value.port, like this. So here is my response, and I will return the response from this API as well. So results dot OK, or response, like this. In this way, I have created the minimal APIs, and in the minimal APIs, I use the IOptions interface binding with the email settings, and this API will return me those values which is available in the app settings. So let's see how we can get these values, and we will verify that the code is working or not. Now, after the things, I will just use the HTTP file here. I will change the name here, and simply I will send the request to get the values from the app settings.json, like this. So we got the response as a server name and port, and these values are getting from the app settings. Now let me change the value as well. Suppose if the port number is 478, and if I save this file, so let me send the request again, then we will see that the value is not changed here, and the new value is not reflected here. So what's the reason behind it? The reason is that iOptions singleton services, okay, and we know that singleton services always use the first always use the one time services while the application is running, okay. And if we want to reflect these values again, then we have to restart this application. So if you want that you want to restart the applications, so there are the two other interfaces that will use to reflect these values on the runtime. So let's see how we can do this. So simply I will close this application, okay, or and the next interface is that snapshot, IOptions snapshot, like this. So this class will help us to change the values in the runtime environment in the running application, and we want to uh, shut the applications down, okay, and we will like we don't need to restart the applications to reflect these values in the runtime mode. So this interface helps us to do this kind of things. So simply I will send the request again. So then we will see that port number is changed here, or suppose I want to suppose I will change the port number again, 578, or SMTP1 is my server name, okay. Then I will again the send the request, then we will see that the values are reflecting over here through the IOptions snapshot interface. So this is the first uh, interface that we have seen. Now the another interface which we will use is IOptionsMonitor, like this. So here is the current value, or like this. So this interface also helps us to reflect those values from the app settings and configurations file, uh, and reflect in the runtime environment as well. So like we don't need to restart the applications again, okay. And suppose your application is so big, and if you restart the application, so it like it will take some few minutes as well. So might end user experience might be worse as well. So such kind of things we shouldn't do. So I will send the request, and this is the values I am getting from here. And suppose I will change the port number is 571, and I will remove this as well. Now we will see the reflected server name and port number uh, through the IOptions monitor interface. Okay, so I hope you love this content and you love this video. So thank you for watching this video till here. And guys, I just want to remind you that please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, or network as well, and hit the like button. So till then, take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.